In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your bio in GOG quickly and easily. If you use GOG and want to personalize your profile, add a short introduction, or make your account feel more complete, this guide will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to gog.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look at the top menu and hover over your username. From the drop-down menu, click on My Profile. This will take you to your profile settings page. Now, on the profile page, look for the My Identity section. On the right-hand side, around the middle of the page, you'll see an option that says Personalize Now. Click that and a new page will open where you can edit your profile details. On this page, look for the About Me section. This is where you can write your bio. Click into the text box and type the bio you want to display on your GOG profile. You can keep it short and simple or make it more detailed depending on how you want to present yourself. After you've written your bio, review it one more time to make sure everything looks good. When you're ready, click Save and Publish Changes. That will update your profile and make your new bio visible. And that's it. Your GOG bio is now updated. It only takes a minute once you know where to find the setting, but it can make your profile feel much more personal and complete. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.